All right, so this tutorial is going to be pretty cool, and what it's going to do, it's going to be our first big classroom collaborative project, and it's going to meet the needs that a lot of you are asking for in the virtual office hours, and then in the survey, which is, how can we get more tutorials? Is it easy to find more tutorials, and how can we keep all of this information for forever? So we're going to be making tutorials. Everybody's going to have to make their own tutorial. If you get on it sooner, you can choose what is easier. If you get on it later, you'll have less choice. But this is how it works. In the last class, or throughout the class, what we do is each student selects what they want to make a tutorial on. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a tutorial. So here you can see that this student chose demonstrate proficiency with the keyboard shortcut and then went on to make a tutorial for that. Different students choosing different sections. You're just going to put your name on the activity that you want to claim as your own, and then you're going to go ahead and create it. So these are the actual tutorials. So this is the first tutorial, week one, leave a comment on the syllabus, and then the student has a tutorial explaining how to do it. Week two, actually how to use Screencastify. This is, let's see, another one, taking notes with a cross-sharing device and with a device and then sharing it, how to shorten a URL. And so in a way, it's kind of cheating, yes or no, but it's creating the library that you wish to have, but it's you all creating that resource for yourselves. Now, the best way to go through it, and I hope you're using Google Chrome or you need to be using Google Chrome on your computer at this point. But the way we're going to do it is we're going to type up here, let's see, Chrome Store Screencastify. And when I type Chrome Store Screencastify, this comes up here. Click on it. And these are all extensions. The Google Chrome browser is almost like, if you think about it, like your phone has apps. Well, you could get apps for Google Chrome. So I'm going to add this application here to Google Chrome. And when I add it, it says add extension. I say yes. It might prompt you a lot of different things. You'll always go ahead and accept whatever it is that's asking you for. I'm not sure exactly what it's downloading down here, but I'll just go ahead and figure that out. I think I'm getting a virus here. Cancel, cancel. Oh no, it's still going. So reload. We'll add it to Chrome. Yeah, that was weird. I'd never seen that happen. All right, so checking. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I guess we can listen to music while it's coming. I don't think the one I'm using records the song, so I'll sing for it. Vivir contigo, hablar contigo, toda noche no. All right, here it goes. Let's go back. Add it to Chrome. So now it's added to Chrome, and then you can see up here at the top right hand side, this little icon here is the Screencastify. So I can get rid of that. Go up here, right click, and then it tells me that I'm going to set up Screencastify. So automatically save videos to Google Drive, highly recommended. Yes, you're going to keep that there. So it's going to save all your videos to your Google Drive. Camera and microphone, drawing and annotation tools. Yes, yes, yes. Everything is a yes. You could watch this video here that's going to explain things to you, but I'm explaining it to you already. So let's see. Now I'm going to create my own screencast. Let's see. So let's say my screencast is on this here. So I click it. It says record desktop, or I could record a tab. That means I only record a specific tab. I could record with the camera. I could embed my webcam. This is the one that kids actually love. Let's see. It might show me here, show preview window. Oh, I haven't done my hair. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna record the desktop, and it should go three, two. Oh, okay. So entire screen or my application. I'll do my application. Share. Three, one. And then I start talking, and I try and sound cool, and then I have like my own little YouTube thing. Hey, you guys. So let's see. When I'm ready to stop, pause up here. Stop, and then this goes blah blah blah. I'm gonna call this creating a screencast. Make sure I put it over here. Week 8. Boom boom. Close. And now I have that all set up. I'm gonna get my link here. Share. Get link. Get link. So copy that one. Close it. Go in here into my tutorials. And this is a link that you all will have, and I'm going to put it there at the bottom. I'll put it on the bottom of the of week 8. So let's see. I'm going to go down to it. Where is it? Week 8. Man, we're almost done. Can you believe that? Digital scavenger hunt. Nope. Nope. Where's it? Here we go. So let's see. Insert row. Insert column. So I'm going to put my name here, week 8. You don't have to create the column. I'm just going to put my name. You put your name. That means it's taken. That means it is yes. I'm going to come back in here to the tutorial. So let's see, week 8. So here are the weeks, 1 through 4, 5 through 8. I'm going to embed it here. Paste. And voila. There's my tutorial. Add my text. Line, or we'll just call it creating a screencast with Screencastify. Go ahead and fix that up a little bit. We'll make it a heading. You Screencastify to create tutorials in any subject area. This Screencastify was used to create a library for EDTE 4200. Yay! And let's see how it looks. You might have to make sure that the sharing is all good. So let's see, sharing. Anybody with the link? Yeah, so the sharing's all good. Let's go. So we have that published. Yes. View my published site. Let's see what we have here. Boom. Now, again, this is going to be pretty cool. It's going to be a big collaborative project. Ideally, by the end of this, you are going to have a bunch of videos, and you will be able to go back and see the videos that everybody made. And, it's going to be a whole lot of goodness that you'll be able to take with you. And remember, you do not have to put your name on what you create. Because you could put it in your tech quest. You could put the whole website actually in your tech quest. It might seem kind of redundant, but you could put this link up here, copy it, and then drop that into your tech quest. So I hope you enjoyed.